Good morning. Today we're going to work on this 57 Chevy and add this 2.5 inch inside diameter by 2.5 inch outside diameter coupling and a chrome tip on the back of this 57 Chevy Station Wagon. Since we're getting exhaust into the car, so first we gotta put a mark here. We gotta cut the tailpipe back so we can get this to fit on there where my brother wants it. Hopefully that'll cure exhaust rolling back in the car until we get the tailgate fixed. That's what we're going to do today. So first we're going to get the sawzall out and cut this pipe. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll continue this in a minute. Puppy. Puppy. Here we are, underneath this 57 Chevy Station Wagon. Alright. So we got everything marked where we want it, we think. We put a piece of tape around the pipe, give us a guide to cut with our sawzall. So we're going to cut this off with our sawzall, and then after that we'll drill some holes and everything so we can bolt this all together. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll be back a little bit after I cut this. Cutting with this reciprocating saw, the pipe started really jumping around a lot, so I took a block of wood and put it underneath the hinge here, clamp, and just put a little bit of stress on it to hopefully reduce the vibration jumping around so we can get a clean cut. Alright, be back in a minute. Get this cut off. Now next we're going to drill some holes so we get a 1/4 inch bolt through this and a 1/4 inch bolt through this in the tailpipe. And so we got to get lined up holes, which we'll take a piece of tape and run a piece of tape around it where I can get the holes even where the bolt will go straight through. Alright, we'll be back in a minute. A piece of tape, and we kind of followed some existing lines on the coupling here to get even on both sides. And then this was 1 3/4 inch, so we measured down half of that, 7/8, and then 1/2 inch because the tape's 1 inch wide both sides. And then we use a center punch to mark the spot where the drill bit needs to grab so the drill bit don't walk around on the round metal. And then well, we put this in a vise because you're trying to drill something round. Just snug it up where it don't mark the chrome or anything. So we got our first hole drilled. We're just using a cordless drill with a 1/4 inch bit. So this 1/4 inch bolt will fit in here. Alright. Then we'll flip it over and drill the other 2 holes. And then we'll put it on the car and then drill the last 2 holes. Alright, that's what we're doing now. Be back in a minute. Alright, we got this one drilled and put together. And well, I missed the chrome piece by a little bit when I drilled that first hole, so we had to re-drill the hole. But now we're ready to drill this through here once my brother says that's where he wants it. Well, that's what we'll do next, and then this will be done, and then we have to cut off the other side. Get it ready. Here's where we're drilling here. Gotta have a vise so you never hold it right. Or actually a drill press would be the best, but this is our backyard drill press. Cordless drill and a vise. Center punch your holes. Center punch. Alright, thank you for watching. Be back. Alright, we got these fitted. We just have to line them up before we drill the holes in the actual tailpipe. We'll watch this bitch start up. Nice. Yeah, because the way the car sits, you can't just put them level, right? You just have to do the look. Because this side's lower than this side, right?
Well, the earth might be lower there too.
All right, we're not sitting on. We don't know if we're sitting on level ground either. This one might have to come back a hair.
Yeah, it will. Have to turn.
Oh, good morning. So, here we have the installed stainless steel exhaust tips on the 1957 Chevy Station Wagon. And the only thing we have left to do is to nip off the end of these stainless steel bolts with a grinder. The holes we previously misdrilled are welded and hardly tell it happened. Puppy dogs in my face, give me licks. Same on the other side, looks good. That's what it looks like. Hopefully that'll keep the exhaust out of the cabin of the vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Pretty baby. Don't lick my phone. Oh no, you're pretty.